So what's up, everybody? So we're right here, IKEA. It's my first time, and I'm right here. Look, what's up? So look, we found the Mona Lisa, and that's a very famous painting. I don't. You guys remember this one? It's with this.
I've seen it, but I don't remember it.
Yeah. Yep. That's supposedly that's Michelangelo, I think. Vinci, I think. So that's what you guys, all the people that like reading books and stuff. Oh, para cafecito, un té. Mhm. This is. Look at that. So well, look, I'm not Chef Ramsay. Well, look, this is the damn kitchen. Look, for all you ladies that like to be cooking and man, freaking cooking. You want to saute everything. Look, show them right here. Look, show them the vibe. Yeah, it's a nice place for to get your stuff done right here. It's cool. They got nice lighting and everything. You guys want to put your freaking. You guys want to bake? Look, boom. There's a microwave right here. And this is the big one. Yep. So other people, they got all these. Oh damn. They're pretty spacious, huh? You can talk too,
Okay, I didn't know.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, it's cool. I like it. So we're in IKEA, people.
See, I was hoping that you wouldn't say anything. They would think that it was my home.
Yeah. So I'm right here with you. You want me to come on? No?
That's fine, yeah.
Yes or no?
My brother's gonna kill me. He's like, will you come on somebody else's thing?
So this Alicia, say hi.
Hi.
So this is.
Hey everyone.
So we're right here, and
Welcome to my house, MTV Cribs.
Right? Mira? Like that? So look, this is how it looks like right here. You guys want to get your TV on? Look, they got a nice little spot right here. You want to watch your Netflix or Hulu, It's cool right here. You guys want to be cooking? Look. Yeah. They're gonna start cooking. It looks like a hotel right here. Look at that. They got everything here. Look at that. What? They got a shower, look, and you wanna get your clothes done. Look, they got the Samsung. I got this one in my job. This one here. That looks like my clothes. So we're here and everything is says that temporarily unavailable. Mostly all the products here. All the products you see right here, it's freaking look unavailable. This whole and well, if you want to bake, they got all this selections of stuff right here. Look. Look at that. It's all this stuff right here. You see that? They got everything for making cookies, for everything, like you see. Oh, for that powder sugar, for those beignets. And then they have all the selections of stuff right here, look. You see this? Look, ooh. It's really nice right here. You got combos and everything as well. Look at all this. That's a lot of stuff right here. They got a lot of great displays. Look at that. So this is basically it. Look, this is how you walk through everything here. And then you end and you basically pay over there. And then that's it.